today over at the Bethel Convention Centre. So that's Saturday the 16th of November, and we're so excited to join with all the churches across the Black Country to see what God is doing. So why don't you come along? It's going to be at 4 p.m. where there's going to be entertainment, stalls and street food, and then it will be followed by the main event at 5 p.m. with some worship. So why don't you come along and see what God's doing? And if you need some transport, have a look on our website for details on that. We'd love to see you there.
You gotta breathe in deep, open your eyes and set your worry free. Before the moment's just a memory. Don't you see it's a gift to be?
Guys, Christmas is coming. Yes, get out of your denial. It's coming, and it's coming fast. And we've got so much happening here at Excel Church for this season. So we've got the Christmas Fest, which is coming. We've got all our Christmas services across that weekend. And we've got a New Year's Eve service happening as well. So there's going to be lots happening. So you can head to our website to get all the information, or you can pick up one of these flyers with all the dates on of everything that's going on, and you can pass these on to your friends. So take a couple, pass them on to your friends. We want to create an opportunity this Christmas for everyone to hear the gospel message. That is what it's really about. So why don't you get one of these flyers, find out the information at www.excelchurch.org.uk/Christmas, and you can get all the information and the dates on there. It's going to be a great one.
Don't let the beauty of this life pass you by. Oh, don't let it pass you by. There's no time to wait.
Guys, your shoe boxes need to be in next Sunday at the latest. So if you haven't got yours yet, make sure you head to the foyer at the end of this service, pick up your shoebox with this flyer, which tells you everything about how to pack a shoebox. Why don't we make some children's Christmases extra special this year? Pick up your shoebox and bring it next Sunday. Don't miss out.
You by no, slow down, yeah, slow down. Oh, you gotta breathe in deep, open your eyes.
So that's all for Excel News, but remember this Wednesday is prayer and Bible study, so make sure you come along for that in the evening. And guys, make sure that you are up to date with everything through our website and through social media too at Excel Church UK. We want to keep you updated with everything, so check out those channels and have a great week, guys.